Hello and welcome to the Code Clarity podcast. I'm Rina.
And I'm Jean. So Rina, today I'd like to talk about how you can use patient experience, patient testimony, and how companies can use that when they've had a really positive experience on your product.
I mean, you would never use testimony if there was a negative experience, would you? But I guess the cases that we're talking about, there are 3 cases for AstraZeneca. And I think it doesn't really matter about the breach, no breach status. I think what's be important for the audience to understand, how did they use the patient testimony? What did the patient say? And was it appropriate or not, Jean?
Yeah, so this was actually, as you say, it's 3 separate videos. Not sure if it was 3 separate patients or the same patient had been split up, but it was a healthcare professional talking about their experience and the patients and individual patients' feedback on a product. And that's what the video was titled. So they were very clear that it was a healthcare professional's individual experience. They were very clear that it was about patient feedback and individual patients' feedback, and the patient was, or patients were giving feedback like this was the best inhaler they'd ever had. They had no further issues on it. It had changed their life. So quite bold claims.
And so you know, given that they put the the disclaimers on there saying this is an individual patient's experience or individual healthcare professionals, did the panel agree with that, or did they think just because farmers used it, the code had to apply to the language?
Yeah, I mean, it's been put out there by a pharma company, the code applies, and it comes down to, is it balanced, is it substantiable? And it's just, that whole thing of just having really positive individual experience was not seen to be balanced.
And actually, Jean, I think I kind of agree with that, because where do you draw the line? If one patient says this is the safest, most effective, wonderful product in the world with no side effects, are we saying, oh, well, that's okay because that's what the patient said and we didn't say it?
Yeah, as long as one person says it, it's okay.
Exactly. Anyway, all right. Thank you very much, Jean.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.